In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Splitwise app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so on your Player App Store, go ahead and open it up and then click on search. Now it says search apps and games. Type in Splitwise and hit enter. And then it will be this one here where it's got over 168,000 reviews, 10 million downloads. So click into that. And then you want to click onto the blue install button. And what this is going to do, this is going to go ahead and download the app and install it at the same time. So give it a few moments to do its thing, depending on how fast your internet speed. Should only take no longer than half a minute. As you can see, it's currently installing right now. All right, so once it's installed, go ahead and open up Splitwise. And then it will say for you to sign up, log in, or sign in with Google. So depending if you've got an account, go ahead and log in. Or if you need to create a new one, go ahead and click on the sign up button and go through that process.